Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Today I want to show you this previous resistance of the channel is now working as a very nice support and the price line is testing this support, and we will also take a look at this weekly simple moving average 100, and the price line is testing this support on the weekly time frame, and the price line has also formed an ascending triangle on the hourly time frame. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and the price line is now testing here a previous resistance of the channel as a support. This channel was formed here back in October 2021 and broke it out here on 7th of Feb, and the price line was testing this support, and we slightly moved down inside the support, even though we had a long spike to the downside in here. By the way, this is very strong support we have at 1.7 cents. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support here, it has been working as a nice support like in the month of August, and here it has been working as a resistance in May 2021 and also as a support as well slightly, and here it worked as a support when this rally was started. The price line broke out this level and tested this previous resistance of 1.7 cents, and after testing this level as a confirmed support, moved up. Now this time the price line also again has tested this support and also testing this previous resistance of the channel. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then we are moving at exactly at this support, and that is now working as a resistance on this 4-hourly, even on the daily time frame chart as well, because we are moved slightly down below than this level, this resistance. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame, we have a very strong support here at 100 weekly simple moving average that has that is exactly at the same level. You can watch the value of the 100 simple moving average here. That is 1.7 cents, where we have this support of the 1.7 cents, the price level support as well. And you can see that the price line is not also able to break out this green line, that is the weekly 50 simple moving average since the month of January 2022. And we are moving between these two moving averages. And if we take a look at the small time frame, like on the hourly time frame chart, here we have formed this ascending triangle, and you can see that the price line is testing the support more than the resistance. Several times it has tested the support, and that is an indication that the price line may break down this triangle. And we also have another resistance, not only this resistance, because we have touch point here, and two more touch points here as well. But here the price line has also formed an up channel as well on this hourly time frame, and it's possible that the price line may have a reversal move from here and test the resistance of this channel. And while moving to test this resistance of the channel, it may break out this triangle. However, in case of breakdown, we can expect a move to the downside that will be quite down. That will be 1.45 cents. But we have a very strong support here at 1.7 cents, and also the weekly 100 simple moving average as well. Recently we have spiked up to 1.55 cents, but we could not break it down. So it is possible maybe we'll have a spike up to that level. But in case of breakout from this triangle, we can expect a very big move that will be very close to 3 cents. And if the price line breaks out and moves to 3 cents as well, then definitely it will be moved above this resistance of the channel. And our final target for this channel, by the way, is approximately at 8.5 cents. So next few hours are really very important. We are moving in this up channel and also in this ascending triangle, even though this is a really very small time frame. But right now, as we are at the support of this resistance of the channel, now it is working as a support, and we are also at the support of the 100 weekly simple moving average. This is more critical thing, that we are exactly moving at the resistance. We can again move down inside the channel back. So therefore, if the price line breaks out on this small time frame, then it can give us another confirmation that we are not moving down now back inside this channel, and we can move up from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.